So today's video will be talking about what I think the next update will be. So I'll put a link and credit to the YouTuber who said one of these things. So first thing is gonna be a rain update. So we've already had a rain update, and this one might be a rain update because we've seen YouTubers do videos on the rain update once, and that was somewhere in April or somewhere else. And April is a rainy month for other countries, maybe mine, I forgot. But yeah, that's what I think it will be. And if it's a rainy update, they might have a builder update next, because if you know, a rainy update could include a storm, and that storm could be a tornado game mode where you have to hide away from tornadoes while they just grab monkeys and throw them around, turn them into tornado monkeys, where they just are tagging other players in the game. So that's what I think it would be. And next could be a space, because not far from city is the tornado thing that broke clouds. So clouds might get a very big revamp. And remember when we seen this rocket? This might be a part of the update where you go up to there, and then we might get to see space. And also, speaking on like the space update, it'll have like stronger gravity, like where you jump high and like there's a door pod where you just walk through and get in there and you fly up to space. And next could be a brand new flashback or anything else like it. So this could be a completely new thing that we've not seen ever in the game. And I would say we've seen the flashbacks of with it's like cleaning stuff or whatever. And yeah. So I'm trying to get this because it literally is in my name, almost like Mickey, and he's like a rat. So if I get this, I look like him. But besides that, there's really not much here. The only thing that I think is there could be a new flashback, a space update, or a rainy update next time. So you may see a rat in 11 days or so. You don't know. And bye.